Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here's the problem. A worker earns $14.50 per hour. Write a direct variation equation where earnings, E, vary directly with hours worked, H. If the worker needs to earn $32, how many hours must they work? Show your work and verify your answer. Now let us work through the solution step by step. A direct variation equation looks like E equals K times H, where K is the constant of variation, the unit rate. Since the worker earns $14.50 per hour, the constant K equals 14.50. Substituting K equals 14.50 gives the direct variation equation E equals 4.50 times H. When H equals 0, E equals 0, so the line passes through the origin. That confirms it is a direct variation. We substitute 232 for E and solve for H. The equation becomes 232 equals 14.50 times H. Dividing both sides by 14.50 isolates H. 232 divided by 14.50 equals 16. So the worker must work 16 hours. To verify, substitute H equals 16 back into E equals 14.50 times H. 14.50 times 16 equals $232. The answer checks out. The worker must work 16 hours. The graph shows a straight line passing through the origin with a slope of 14.50. The solution point at 16 hours and $232 is marked on the line, confirming our answer visually. To summarize, the direct variation equation is E equals 14.50 times H. The constant of variation is 14.50. Setting E equal to 232 and dividing both sides by 14.50 gives H equals 16 hours. The graph is a straight line through the origin whose slope equals the unit rate. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.